There is a foot number 3, that comes with the Pfaff Creative 3.0 sewing machine that we use for more than one use. I've used it for overlocking seams, but this time we're going to use it for a blind hem. So on your stitches, and we can go over to like your utility stitches, arrow down, it's actually stitch 16. Now 16 and 17, 17 is your stretch blind hem, but today we're going to use your regular blind hem. I'll show you how to fold the fabric and how to adjust the guide that is on the foot to get the perfect blind hem. So first off, fold your fabric for the finished hem that your item needs, maybe even press that in, and then you need to fold the fabric away from the hem's edge. And so you have this kind of S formation. So the way the stitch works is that as it bites to the left, as it shows here on the screen, it bites, and we want to catch the smallest little tick of this fold of the fabric. Usually when you do this by hand, you just kind of whip stitch and barely catch that edge. We can do the same thing on the sewing machine in 1/10 of the time. But getting it set up, you just need to do a little adjustment as needed. Now every fabric is a different thickness, so just what I show you today might be a little different for something that's a lot thinner or even a little stretchier. We might use that stretch stitch and so forth. So first thing that you need to do is notice that your first stitch is actually over here on the right side, and that does me absolutely no good. So I'm going to just take a stitch, and I can do it with my needle down and then my needle up, and get that needle to swing. How about one more stitch? There we go. Swing all the way over to the left side. Now before I get it to go down, and I'm just turning the hand wheel down just a little bit so the needle is closer to my fold, and I'm going to push the foot down button. And the reason for it is because that will lift it up, and I can move my fabric left or right just the slightest little bit. And I want to position the needle to catch just the slightest bit of that fold. And by sinking it down, so I move the fabric to the needle, sink it down into the fold just a little bit. And then, see this little red marker? It's adjustable. So we can actually move that red marker to be right up against the fold. So I'm just turning the little screw on the right side until the red marker is aligned with my fabric. And now I have something to follow. When I follow that right on down, I should get the same little bite into the fabric all the way down the seam, and without having to really think about it. So let's take a look. If you end up with too big of a bite, you're going to have a little bigger stitch showing on this side if you don't catch it all the way. All right, so as I kind of got started, I got a little away from my fold just in how I was guiding it, probably talking while trying to sew. But see how nice and consistent these stitches are? That's what you're looking for. And you know, if your fabric and thread match together, so if I had cream thread in here, that would truly be a blind hem.